Easy and important GK questions for competitive exam. Which telecommunications company has partnered with Google for expanding its Wi-Fi footprint? Reliance Jio, Vodafone Group PLC, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, Bharti Airtel. Answer is BSNL. Who is appointed as Pakistan's High Commissioner in India? Ibn Hibban, Ashraf Ali Danvi, Muhammad Iqbal, Moin ul Haq. Answer is Moin ul Haq. Which of the following has launched two new formats of the game air badminton and triples? KPA, BAI, BWF, BAM. Answer is BWF. Who has been elected as the President of Indonesia? Joko Widodo, Santiago, Prabowo Subianto, Anies Baswedan. Answer is Joko Widodo. Name the country which has approved sales of air defense missiles to South Korea and Japan. A. China, B. US, C. Russia, D. India. Answer is US. Which charity entered the Guinness Book of World Records for its hunger relief efforts? A. United Methodist Committee on Relief, B. PCT Humanity, C. HIV India Charity, D. Chain Hamlet Foundation. Answer is PCT Humanity. Along with whom Nikki Punche won the 2019 ITF Men's Futures Tennis title in Uganda? Shishan Ali, Advani, Agarwal, Anirudh Chandrasekhar. Answer is Anirudh Chandrasekhar. The voting for the Lok Sabha elections 2019 was held in how many constitutions? 542, 543, 544, 545. Answer is 542. Which state's 26 reservoirs have hit zero water storage level? A. Karnataka, B. Maharashtra, C. West Bengal, D. Telangana. Answer is Maharashtra. Register its new secretive cryptocurrency from Libra Networks LLC in Geneva, Switzerland. A. WhatsApp Messenger, B. Twitter, C. Facebook, D. Instagram. Answer is Facebook. Where did Western Command Children Summer Adventure Camp 2019 organized? Simla, Manali, Darjeeling, Ladakh. Answer is Manali. Which of the following state has been levied 1% calamity cess in India? A. Odisha, B. Gujarat, C. Kerala, D. Uttarakhand. Answer is Kerala. Who has sworn in as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh? ESL Narasimhan, Horumutla Srinivasulu, N. Chandrababu Naidu, Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy. Answer is Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy. Which two companies are in advanced stages of testing voice over Wi-Fi services? BSNL and Vodafone, BSNL and Reliance Jio, Bharti Airtel and Reliance Jio, Bharti Airtel and BSNL. Answer is Bharti Airtel and Reliance Jio. Who has been concurrently accredited as the next ambassador of India to the Union of Comoros? Arvind Gupta, Abhay Kumar, Sangeeta Bahadur, Navneen Srivastava. Answer is Abhay Kumar. Who was conferred with Lifetime Recognition Award by the Confederation of Horticulture Association of India? P. Malarvili, N. Kumar, C. R. Anandakumar, D. J. Suresh. Answer is N. Kumar. The first World Cup match for 2019 is being held in which stadium? Edgbaston, Lords, Tunbridge, Kennington Oval. Answer is Kennington Oval. What is the theme of 2019 International Day of United Nations Peacekeepers? A. Honoring our heroes, investing in peace around the world, protecting civilizations and protecting peace, 7 days of services and sacrifice. Answer is protecting civilians, protecting peace. Who among the following become the next Navy chief? Garambir Singh, Harish Bist, G. Ashok Kumar, Girish Luthra. Answer is Garambir Singh. RBI sets up a committee on corporate loans to increase the efficiency of the debit market. It consists of how many members? A. 6, B. 8, C. 7, D. 12. Answer is 6. The first product that is launched by the combination of health code policy of Bajaj Allianz General Insurance and a secure policy of Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance is Total Health Secure Goal. Secure Health Policy on Health Secure. Health Secure Guard. Answer is Total Health Secure Goal. Which country releases a special stamp on Ramayana theme? Indonesia, Sri Lanka, India, Malaysia. Answer is Indonesia. Who is named as brand ambassador of Indo-American Arts Council? Suresh Krishna, Naresh Iyer, Vikram Kumar, Vikas Khanna. Answer is Vikas Khanna. Under which scheme does central government has made compulsory for electric vehicle manufacturers in India to locally source at least 50% components for receiving subsidies? Jaho Grahak Jaho, FAME 2, FAME 1, Kishore Vaijangi, Jangi, Protsan, Yojana. Answer is FAME 2. Answer is FAME 2. When did the World Book Day is celebrated? 21 April, 22 April, 23 April, 24 April. Answer is 23 April. The Supreme Court constituted a panel to inquire into the sexual harassment complaint. Who will be the head of the panel? Ranjan Gogoyi, Sarath Arvind Bobde, N.V. Ramana, Indra Banerjee. Answer is Sarath Arvind Bobde. The host country of 2019 Asia Badminton Championships. India, Bangladesh, Indonesia, China. Answer is China. The Congress can field with sportsperson from South Delhi constituency to take on BJP's Ramesh Bidwari. Mary Home, Sachin Tendulkar, Sushil Kumar, Vijender Singh. Answer is Vijender Singh. Who resigns from Association Secretary General post? Uday Kumar Verma, Suresh Kumar, Naresh Kumar, Vikram Kumar. Answer is Uday Kumar Verma. Which organization joins hands with Wellington Institute of Management to support startups in exports? FIEO, FICCI, IRDA, BIS. Answer is FIEO. Columbia University's Graduate School of Journalism has selected whom as 2019 City Journalist Excellence Awards. Rahul Ganwal, Sudhir Chowdhury, Tina Tucker, Sherin Bond. Answer is Tina Tucker. Julian Assange was the co-founder of which organization? Judicial Watch, Voltaire Network, WikiLeaks, Greenpeace. Answer is WikiLeaks. Where did India's first water park inaugurated? Ghaziabad, Mumbai, Gurugram, Noida. Answer is Gurugram. The first woman vice chancellor of Jamia Millia Islamia is Nigarga Acharya, Najma Akhtar, Anjana Om Kashyap, Bargadat. Answer is Najma Akhtar. Which of the following initiation of the Rotary Club of Madras North provides sanitary napkins to the students? Project Suvidha, Project Pudiyugam, Project Sangin, Project Kannamma. Answer is Project Kannamma. Which of the following has launched a mobile app My Circle in collaboration with FICCI Ladies Organization to assist women in the case they face any panic situation or problem? A. Bharti Airtel, BSNL, Reliance Jio, Vodafone. Answer is Bharti Airtel. Who won the World Press Photo Award 2019 for the image of a crying toddler at US border? John Murray, Annie Leibovitz, Peter ten Hopen, Ronaldo Scamadit. Answer is John Murray. Who clinched Formula One's 1000th race title? Max Verstappen, Sebastian Vettel, Valtteri Bottas, Lewis Hamilton. Answer is Lewis Hamilton. World's largest airplane weighing 226,800 kg took its first ever flight in Mojave, California. It's named as Kit, Fort, Rock, Soak. Answer is Rock. How many schemes of the West Bengal government won WSIS Award of the United Nations? 4, 3, 2, 5. Answer is 2. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe us and comment your thoughts. Thank you.